Think you need millions of views to make money on YouTube? Think again. Let's bust this myth wide open. It's a common misconception that views are the golden ticket to YouTube monetization. Yes, they are part of the equation, but they're not the only factor that determines your earnings. Here's the real deal. Audience engagement, watch time, and ad revenue play significant roles, sometimes even more than views. You could have 1,000 views, but if people are only watching for a few seconds, that doesn't translate into significant earnings. On the other hand, if you have fewer views, but people are watching your content from start to finish, that's a goldmine. Similarly, the more your audience engages with your content through likes, comments, and shares, the more valuable your content becomes to YouTube's algorithm. This can lead to higher ad revenue, so don't get caught up in the numbers game. Focus on creating engaging content that your audience loves. Ever thought that all you need to do is enable ads and watch the money roll in? Let's dispel that myth. It's true, enabling ads on your YouTube videos is one avenue to earn revenue, but it's not as straightforward as it might seem. Your ad revenue doesn't solely depend on the number of views. It's a complex equation that includes factors like the type of ads displayed, the number of people who interact with them, and even the geographic location and demographics of your audience. For instance, a luxury car ad shown to an audience that's primarily teenagers might not generate as much revenue as you'd expect. And let's not forget about YouTube's AdSense policies and advertiser-friendly content guidelines. Falling foul of these could lead to your ads being limited or even removed. So, the next time you're planning your content strategy, keep this in mind. Ads can supplement your income, but they are not the be-all and end-all of YouTube monetization. Believe that YouTube ad revenue is the only way to make money on the platform? Time for a reality check. Let's bust the myth that YouTube ad revenue is your only lifeline. There's a world beyond that, filled with opportunities waiting to be seized. You've got channel memberships, where your biggest fans can support you on a monthly basis in exchange for exclusive perks. Then there's the merchandise shelf, a perfect spot to showcase your creative genius and sell your unique products right under your videos. And let's not forget about the Super Chat, a fun and interactive way for your viewers to stand out in live chat and support you during live streams. Finally, consider brand partnerships, a great way to earn while promoting products or services that resonate with your audience. So don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. Explore all avenues of monetization to maximize your YouTube earnings.